So again, today we want to see how we can insert a column, a row in spreadsheet, and here are the procedures. First, we have to select the row, column, and next you want to insert a new one. So let's first go ahead and open Microsoft Excel, and here is our spreadsheet. So I said these are all the columns are marked with the alphabetical letters, and then the rows are marked with numbers. So to select a row, a column, you have to tap on top of a letter that represents that column. Then the whole column will be selected. As you can see, I can select one by one. If I want to select multiple columns, you have to press Ctrl on the keyboard, and then you can select many columns at once. And if you want to select the rows, then tap on top of the number that represents the row, and then the whole row will be selected. And if you want to select multiple rows, press Ctrl on the keyboard, and then you can now select multiple rows. You can also select multiple columns at the same time with the rows, but make sure that you have pressed Ctrl on the keyboard. So once that one is done, then you can go ahead and do other techniques you want, but generally that's how you can select the rows and column. What about if I want to delete a certain column? For example, I have data in column D, but I realize I don't want this column, I want to delete. So hover the cursor on top of that column, and then right click, you get a list of options, and one of them is called delete. So click on that, and then that column will be deleted. By default, you will see another column which comes with the same letter D, because these letters that represent the columns are supposed to be in order. And now if you want to select the rows, you have to select, for example, I have the values in this row, which is row 6, and I want to delete that. Go and tap on top of that number 6, which represent the row, right click on it and get options. One of the options is delete. Click on delete, and then that will disappear. What about if I want to insert? I have the values here, and then I have another values here. So these are values between column D and column E, but I want to insert a column between D and E. So I go ahead and tap on top of E, right click, then I will get an option which is insert. Go ahead and insert. Now you see I've inserted a column between D and F. Now it has come as E because I said these column letters have to be in order. If I want to do the same with rows, maybe I want to create another row between this data and this one, then I go ahead and tap on the last value, which is 7. The 7 is the row 7. Right click on it, go ahead and insert. Now you can see a new row has been inserted between 6 and 8, which is 7, with now empty data, and then there you can add data accordingly. So generally that's how we can insert rows and columns, and also delete rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. And in the next video we shall learn how to do other techniques and see how to implement different skills and techniques in Excel. Thank you.